Welcome to the channel. It's a little hazy day today. I wanted to show you an update on my shed. I did a previous video of me replacing a wall, one of the walls on my shed. Right there. Well, come to find out, I needed to replace the other side too. Oh, you can hear some thunder coming in. Gonna have a storm here. So I had to replace this wall too. Got it all replaced. Got it painted, repainted it, and repainted the walls red and repainted to the moldings white. Not too bad. I got some paint all, right here, whatever. Slop some paint. But I'm not a master painter. It's my shed. But anyway, I wanted to show you a product that I picked up. If this is something that interests you, the link will be in the description below. I picked up a little decorative solar light. Let me show you. Here we are. There's the solar part. It's black. Got a little LED right there, light there. Mounts with 3 screw holes. And I'm just going to set it right in the center of the shed. This does not come with the screws, so you'll have to supply your own screws. I don't know how bright this is. I've already had this set out in the sun with it turned off. But we'll see how bright it is. I don't really need to light this area up. I just thought it was pretty neat looking. So I was going to set it up there. Probably going to mount it right up here. Somewhere right in, right in the middle, in the center. Somewhere. I haven't decided. I'll have to get the ladder out. But, something like that. And we'll see how bright it is. I'll get this mounted and show you. I might better hurry up because it sounds like it's going to rain. I'll show you what it looks like, and then hopefully I'll show what it looks like at night. Alright. I mounted the solar light, decorative light that I got for my shed. It's on there. I think it looks good. It looks nice. We'll see what it looks like at night, but I'll show you what it looks like right now. I ended up going through my junk drawer, and finding 3 black screws with a wider head on them. So, because like I said, the screws don't come with it. You have to supply your own screws. But anyway, let's take a look. There, what do you think? So I just mounted those screws right there. 3 screws, good. It's, not on there. It's on there. Ooh, it's on there pretty good. Like I said, we left it outside to charge up, so without turning the switch on, so it should work good, hopefully. Today's a cloudy day, looks like it's going to storm, so hopefully later, if it's clear at night, not raining or whatever, I'll turn, hopefully this will light up. Like I said, I don't need light here really, because I don't come in here at night. It's just more of a decorative thing. I think it looks pretty cool. I did test it out. It's not a bright light, it's more of a warm light. So it's kind of yellowish kind of type, warmish. But we'll see what it looks like. It's just for decorations. So I'll be back when I get a good day night video to see what it looks like. But like I said, if you're interested, link will be in the description below. We'll see you when it's dark. Okay, so here it is. It's 9 o'clock at night. I don't know how good this is going to come out. But here's the light. Like I said, it's just a decorative, and it's only just like a low yellow warm light. Okay. Sit back. That's all it is, just a decorative piece. Gives off a little light. So, I don't know if you can see me. There you go. There. This will be the end of the video, so if this interests you, hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell so you're notified when new videos come out. Give us a thumbs up. And leave a comment below. What do you think about this light? I don't know if this is going to come out. I might have to re-edit this with a new outro. I don't know. We'll have to see. It's only been up for half a day and there's already spider webs in there. But anyway, leave a comment and thanks for watching. And we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.